I am about to show you how to open the Fenty Beauty Foundation bottle. So apparently it is a thing on YouTube because I did a video that is getting some eyeballs right now, not because of the reason why I made that video, which was to mix my Fenty Beauty foundation with another foundation to be able to get a preferred shade or something, but no, it's attracting more eyeballs because according or based on YouTube analytics and all of that, it is attracting more views because people are trying to find out how to open this Fenty Beauty foundation bottle. And not only that, I got a question in my comment section for that video from a wonderful girl, and I'm sorry it's taking me so long to respond. I'm doing this video for you and for every other person out there trying to open a Fenty Beauty foundation bottle and cannot figure it out. I'm doing this for you. I didn't realize it was a thing. So this is the bottle, of course, and I'm gonna bring it up close so you guys can see properly. And it has the lid. Take it, just pop it open like that, and then you want to open this, right? If I tell you this thing is so easy, you almost want to beat yourself up. I know it happens to the best of us. We all have those moments, but here we go. All you have to do is just hold it this side, twist, and that's it. And if you want to lock it back, in case you're wondering how to close it again, there. It is so easy. I'm sure I'm not sure what people are trying to do or how it became an issue. I probably should have researched on that, but there we go. I'll bring it up close so you guys can see closer and then figure it out and see how easy it is. That's it, guys. That's it. We just did something. Well, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun reviews and maybe even try to open other things. Who knows? Well, thank you all so much for watching. I will see you all next time, and bye.